ND6050F-16ATC metal machine. Weihong control system. Spindle flow rate gauge and temporary alarm. Comply with IP6056 formation or inner cover. Four kilowatt, 40,000 RPM spindle. Vacuum table. It's made of aluminum. The thickness is 50 mm. The diameter of the hole is 1.5 mm. The hole spacing is 20 mm. And the flatness tolerance is 0.01 mm. Disc tool change magazine. Automatic tool change. 16 tools in the magazine. The whole machine bed made of granite body. Granite body is beam. It's handwear. It can simulate operation. The bottom is a water tank. Accessory list. Spray coolant tank and waste oil box, and the back of the machine. Delta inverter and 4 drivers. The board card of Weihong control system.